Here I will show you how to do this music scrolling magic effect. I don't even know how to call it, but you understand what I mean. So now what I want you to do for me is just to like and share this video. Just comment if you have anything, just comment. Understand? So let's dive in for the tutorial. Now guys, go to your music gallery. Now turn on your screen recorder. Please take note, your screen recorder must be on. Now you can decide to swipe up the video. Just swipe it up like 2 times or 3 times. Each time you swipe, you hold on a bit. You swipe another one, you hold on a bit. You swipe another one, you hold on a bit. Then click on a particular music to play. Then you can save the screen recording. You place your camera on a tripod. You use portrait mode. I use portrait. Then you can use your finger to swipe as if you are hand. Look at how I'm doing it. If you want to make it real like this, you just swipe. When you swipe, you hold on, allow it to swipe complete, then you swipe again, then you point at a particular music. Now save this video, then head over to Capcut. At this point, click on the plus button, new project. Now import the video you just recorded yourself, the one you recorded yourself. Bring it to Capcut. Now there must have been some places you made mistake at the beginning of the video, so you can decide to split and delete it. Since I'm the one recording myself, I place my phone, so there must have been some mistakes, so I have to split and delete it. So you can do same. So after splitting and deleting, you see overlay. Click on overlay, tap on overlay. Now add overlay. Bring the video you just screen recorded, add it to Capcut. Now this is how it's going to appear. It doesn't end here. Now go and look for edit, this edit feature. Now click on edit, go to crop, use crop. You can decide to crop out some things like the time, like the way you are seeing on your screen. You can decide to crop it like this. You can even decide to leave it the way it is. Now after cropping it, now you can decide to adjust it to fit to screen, like what you are seeing on your screen. Just adjust it to make sure it fits to screen. Now tap on blend. When you tap on blend, click on the second one, filter. Click on the second one, you see filter. When you click on filter, this is how it's going to appear. Understand? Everything is gonna appear this way. So if you are able to get it this way, meaning you are following everything. So guys, please pay close attention to this. Just look at this thing. You can see I just swiped and nothing was moving. It moved late. That means it's not accurate. So you have to set it to be accurate, so that when your finger is swiping, the music will be moving immediately. Understand? So that is what I'm trying to do right here. So you click on the one you screen recorded, you tap on the second layer you screen recorded, adjust it till it fits. So that is what you need to do. You have to adjust it till when you are swiping your finger, the music is moving, just like what you've seen. So you do the same when you are swiping the second one. You adjust it also when you are swiping the second one to make sure it fits. So that is just it, guys. Now to tap on the music is another big deal, but don't worry, you'll understand it. So guys, but before we go further, thank you so much for watching up to this moment. If you are still watching and you are listening to me at this moment, it shows you are getting value from this video. Please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mr. Cray. 10 updates. I give updates on videos like this. So like and comment. If you have any issue, just let me know in the comment section. I'll be able to assist you 100%. So you get my point. Take note, I'm not a pro, but I'm going to show you everything I know. That is just it, guys. So now on this aspect of where to point, when you to tap so that the music will play, you will see that there is a big mistake, so it needs adjustment. So if you encounter issues like this, guys, don't worry, I am here. I'm going to show you how I did mine 100%. All right, so let's go. Now when your finger is about to select the music, tap on the second layer, drag it down to meet where your hand is selecting the music, to meet that music your hand is selecting. Like I selected this iRobot by John Billion, so I have to drag it down. Now all those places you split it, you have to do the same. Tap on the second layer, then bring it down a little. So guys, that is just it. in fact, that is everything you need to know about this. I believe it's simplified and you understand it. So if you are a content creator and you wish to and you love doing videos like this, please, anytime you create a video like this, just let me know, tag me. I'll come and at least let me have a colleague. Understand? Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you are watching me on TikTok, give me a follow. Understand? So guys, that is just it. So let's here you can see now. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I want to grow. Just make me grow. I want to reach 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel. So guys, thank you so much for watching. So see you in our next video.